tuned in and are ready and willing to hear what the forecast is. Have you seen the migrations, though, lately? There's been a big onslaught of birds migrating north after that cold winter that we had and after that long duration of cold weather. But, boy, they began to move north because we really flipped the script here and started to go to mild weather. You know, I'll tell you what, just looking at the last 3 weeks and then thinking about our friends down in Monroe County, particularly Bloomington, 2 weeks ago they had a tornado. A week ago they had snow, and now they're under a flood watch, and they're about probably going to be the recipients of some of the bigger rainfall totals. As we move the rain out of the area early this afternoon, it has eased up, but it is damp, it is cool. It just depends on exactly where you're at with a front that's behaving a little bit more like April. We often talk about the April showers. Remember how wet last April was? We had 8.88 inches of rain. It seems like we've kind of pulled a little bit of a script from an April setup, and I'll be delivering more and more of this rain here in the next 48 hours. It's a cool 44-degree temperature on a northeast wind at 5 miles per hour. Inspecting the radar right now, not much rain falling now in Indianapolis. This is over the last hour. The last of the showers have started to kind of slump off to the south and east. Now, the rain still pretty persistent as you go from Franklin County all the way back to Vigo County. And unfortunately, this is kind of a way Mother Nature is tipping her hand here, showing that this is going to be the area that will likely be the recipients in the pipeline of moisture for the next couple of days. There's going to be some very heavy totals, and because of all of this rain coming down, and the consistency of it, it's going to create high creeks and streams. They're going to spill out of their banks. There's going to be lowland flooding, and that may migrate even a little further north as we bring a brand new batch of rain into the area later tonight, early tomorrow morning. It is lightening up somewhat, but we're also detecting some thunder and lightning back towards Champaign. So as this front gets situated, and we start to direct more of this rain along the front, and we start to add convection, thunderstorms, we could get even locally higher rainfall amounts. We've already had as much as 3/4 of an inch in Bloomington, Terre Haute. You can see where we've outlined some of the heaviest rainfall, and look how it drops off as you go to the north. Drought feeds drought, and this is still extreme drought in north central Indiana, and it doesn't appear that they're going to be the recipients of the rainfall that's needed there, but some is coming your way as well. We're going to move this batch out, bring another batch in later tonight, so there will be lulls. The temperatures are 15 degrees warmer in Bloomington than they were 24 hours ago. You can see the setup of the front here, 41 Kokomo, 52 Bloomington. Winds are colliding, one from the north, one from the south, and that's where our front is stretched out. We bring another piece of energy in overnight. That means we'll accelerate the rain in its intensity in the next several hours, and it likely will be pouring again late tonight. The flood watch is issued for overnight into early Wednesday. Look at the spread in temperatures down towards Paducah and Evansville. They're in the 70s, only in the upper 30s towards South Bend. That jet stream is pointed in from the southwest, so it's a conveyor belt of warm, moist air, and that's where it's situated. It's not moving and it's not fluctuating, so therefore we just continue to bring in these waves of downpours that might even include some claps of thunder as we move later tonight and up to the midnight time frame. So for your evening commute, or at least for part of your evening, it looks like the rain has let up. It will be rather persistent overnight and then begin to scatter again tomorrow morning. And then there'll be a break and a little bit of an ease before another wave comes into the area by Wednesday night. Rainfall numbers are going to be quite healthy. We're talking about maybe 2 to 3 inches of rainfall just through Wednesday night. And as we migrate further north with this front on Friday, we will start to bring down the rain chances, but bring up the temperatures, possibly to near record levels here. But first, we have to contend with anywhere between 2 to maybe as much as 5 inches of rain through Wednesday night, Thursday. So the downpours will be much more numerous again later tonight. Temperatures will hold steady near 40 degrees, maybe a few rumbles of thunder. Heavy rain early scatters, it eases up. Temperatures will be milder tomorrow at 55. More rain Thursday, then that begins to ease up as the temperatures warm up into the 70s Friday. Could have some heavier thunderstorms Saturday, Sunday, as we take a little bit of a dip to 60 on Sunday, but overall some very mild weather for the next several days, just soggy.
Just very